fresh faces. In today's craft segment, I'm here to show you a very simple wall decor arrangement by using your old wooden planks. So before getting into my video, those who are new to my channel, please hit the bell icon to stay tuned for my latest uploads. So for doing this wall decor, all you require is your old wooden planks and few acrylic colors of your own choices. And is that I have just painted this wooden plank by using white acrylic color. So I have to give a second coat also. I thought of giving this wooden plank a combination of yellow and orange. So now I'm going to paint this board by using a golden yellow acrylic color. So allow it to dry completely. In the meantime, I have traced these codes from my sister on an A4 size paper. With calligraphy, there is no need to trace also. You can just directly write these type of codes onto this board. Right? We can do the next step. Color has dried completely. Now I'm going to give a coat of orange acrylic color onto the borders of this wooden plank. So now you can see that I have finished painting outer borders by using orange color and inside by using a combination of yellow and orange. So once I stick this cuttings into this board, I thought that it would be appropriate if you paint white color inside this portion so that it doesn't feel odd. So I'm going to do a coating of white acrylic color inside this portion. So let's see. So now this is the final arrangement after painting by using white acrylic color, as you can see. I'm going to decorate this board by using beautiful shells. And arrangement of my wooden plank into a beautiful signboard, as you can see. So I'm going to stick onto my balcony wall by using double tape. So I'm just going to stick by using a double tape. So after sticking onto my balcony wall, I'll show you the final arrangement. So this is the final arrangement of how our olden wooden plank has turned into a beautiful decor piece. Yes, it takes a little bit of time, but the end product will be beautiful. Hope you have all enjoyed my video. See you soon in my next video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until then, stay healthy and stay motivated. Bye.